move left because every shot I've gone high flush, high flush, high flush, or I've gone through the face. So, turns out left lanes are either tighter or they hook more. There's literally no in between in this place.
Oh boy. You need something over here?
That's my third messenger in my life. And that's the first time I've ever bowled 261.
That would be a very nice, well-rounded 261.
I am so glad you got that. I'm going to replay that in my head again and again, and you'll see that on Instagram. Promise.
Spare there.
Technically, if I had the pocket and I spared a 10 pin, it literally would do the same thing.
Technically, you're right. Other than the fact that, wait till you see the video of the 3 count. That was fantastic.
I wish it was mic'd up so they could hear what I said after
They don't have to be mic'd up. They can all laugh just like we're laughing.
Oh, Lord. Tell you about my day. My day's been really good. I woke up and I did.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Dad is gonna advocate for me and how I bowled today. Okay? Speak your piece.
Look, at the end of the day, she had 8 reasonable shots every game.
Yeah.
Some of the games, she had 9 really good shots. But every game had one of those shots that you're looking going, where in God's creation did that shot come from? Yeah, like the 3 count.
Like my 3 counts?
By the way, that was fabulous. Spare shot. I don't know about the first one.
It was really good. Don't hate. Everybody needs some of those shots.
Do me a favor.
Spices things up a little bit.
Save those shots for practice, not the real deal.
Anyways, I'm sitting at plus 89, and I'm probably like 3rd or 4th, second. Maybe I might be second after the spot. I hope I can catch the lead or just stay in top 3 to get another junior Team USA spot. That would be cool. But that's it. Now we're on to the boys. They better bowl good because I hear that pattern's hard.
So we're in game 5 now, game 12 of this oil, and I just changed balls, and I Brooklyn the first one in the 10th for my first double since I had the front 8 game 1. Probably took me a little too long to get out of that ball, but we bowled 2-0, and we're still in a really good spot. So I know, I get that a lot, that I sound like my father. Is it really bad? No? Oh, so it's a good thing I sound like him. Okay, perfect. Let me know in the comments if I sound like my father, because Brooke's not the first person that's told me that. So let me know if you also agree with Brooke.
Recapping bowling, day 1. What'd you get to?
Block number 1 of 2. It's all done. And I finished a little less than you.
Bang!
Justin
Mark it down, put it on the calendar.
napped me off tonight.
Don't know when the last time that happened was.
I was 55, he was 58?
58.
58. We were both tied after game 1 at 69 over in first place. That was actually pretty cool.
That was cool. I really thought that I had you after the first game, and then somebody told me that we tied, and I was like, yeah.
I thought you bowled 169
No.
first game. Because I saw you went Brooklyn to start.
I did.
And someone said you guys tied, and I was like, 169? And they said, no. And so then I thought minus 69. And then 269. But it's nice to see you bowled well. I bowled well. 55 pins more than I was like really hoping for. If you'd have told me I had 55 over tonight, I would have left. So 55 pins to work with tomorrow. He's got 58. That's going to wrap it up for day 1 here at the U22 Masters. And I'm ready to go to bed.
Well, I'm glad you did all the talking. I don't need to say anything.
See ya. Peace.
Easier.
Hey, little plug in here. I had the best total of the 3 kids of all
You
the
guys are falling
bones.
on easier pattern.
Well, Sydney
Okay,
gave
and I'm
me
a
all your
female.
stuff earlier and
Your
said,
point?
And you bowled on an easier pattern than you did. Enough said. Good night.
I'm still doing better than the boys. Better standings, better score-wise. We'll see how I bowl on the burn. But for now, they bowl on the fresh tomorrow morning.
So now, we just changed balls, we got in the rally, it's game 3, and now they're developed just enough that I feel like I got a little bit of miss room. The first 2 games, they're brutal. Crossing the house in this place with this field is going to be pretty challenging this week. So now that they're developed a little bit and there's some hook in the front, I think there's going to be an opportunity to get some score out there. So let's try to step on it, take advantage of the good pairs, and see what we can do. Missed the 12-board left move, I guess, somewhere in the mix of bowling today.
You just change balls, okay? Move and make the right shot.
We are 5 games in. I have 1 blemish on my scorecard. It's okay, because after a very nice 154, we picked it up with a nice 233. 2 more games left, and I'm hungry.
We need that right now because he's not doing too well. And I don't want to say anything, but like if we don't start striking, we might miss the cut.
Get me out of here, please. 154, 155, 156, and I sprinkled in a 233. All right, qualifying's over. Thank God.
Yeah, thank God.
They got bad. I had a 154, a 155, and a 156, all in the last 4 games, and I sprinkled in a 230. Perfect, lovely. Finished at minus 62, and that's more than you, I heard.
Yeah, I finished at minus 67. They were extremely hard today, and we watched a lot of people bowl really bad on the French. I'm interested to see
We
how...
also watched a lot of people bowl really bad yesterday as well.
Yeah, on the French. So,
But there were some people that bowled really well.
yeah, so it'll be interesting to see how it plays out. We should both have enough to make the top 32 for tomorrow. We shouldn't be sweating this number at all, which is a great feeling going to go eat and sitting against the bowl now. So we'll be back tomorrow because we're in the top 32.
Well,
Provided that the next squad doesn't have the absolute world and everybody goes 100 over and then we don't make it.
and well, thank God this is over. Now, let's go watch Sydney. You think you could like do that? Like,
I mean, I don't know, can you?
I don't know, how about...
I stood at the ball return and I'm airing my hand and I said, Lord, please get me a double. Please. Blah, 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 blah. Then I made my next single pin and I see Dad in the back going,
Hello, everybody. I have a prediction that Sydney is shooting 300 this game.
and the thing, before that game, I was going to change balls.
No.
Let me just pull out my dad card. Well, Sydney, I'm really glad you did it.
Pocket percentage means everything. She's a smart bow.
Oh, I'm like this guy right here.
Get out.
So what are we doing? Talking about the day.
Yeah, well, you're leading.
U22 Queens, which is really cool. And I made Junior Team USA for 2026, and that feels phenomenal. Okay.
That's all she needs to say because that pretty much sums it up. How she Bohn qualified.
How did your day go?
I survived.
What'd you bowl on? You bowled on fresh, correct?
Bowl on fresh.
And you felt like they were harder today?
They're definitely more challenging on the fresh, and the rest of the tournament is obviously going to be on fresh or pretty close to it. And they're going to be difficult. It's going to be setting up the pair and survival of the fittest, and really just beating your opponent. All you got to do is get to the top 32, and then anything can happen from that point. So
that is the goal, to beat your opponent, yes, in match play. We have
Thanks.
match play tomorrow. It's 2-game total wood.
2-game
So,
total wood,
double elimination
Yep.
format.
So hopefully we win some matches, and we're still bowling on Monday. So all 3 of us are still left, and hopefully all 3 are left.
And I am the
after tomorrow.
highest in the standings, highest bowling score-wise out of both my brothers, so that feels awesome.
Yeah, great.
So don't even say, they
I'm
say
not.
it's because I'm bowling on an easier pattern.
Well, you are.
Real tournament starts tomorrow. Let's go.
Anyways,
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
peace.